Hello, everybody. I hope you're having an amazing day today. We are really in an opportunity to make things flow right now. We are in an intense energy shift, one of the biggest ones of the year. July 30th and 31st, the 31st is today, double meteor showers, enhanced awareness, clarity, revelations, and premonitions. To August 1st, solar storms. We'll have vivid dreams. We may feel fatigued. We'll have lots of synchronicities and heightened senses, our awareness. Today, July 31st, is the end of the Mercury retrograde, ending communication confusion, complications, and chaos. Many of us have seen or gone through ourselves complications in our lives, chaos with communicating with our loved ones. We have seen people fighting and miscommunications. This will get fixed. This is a good thing. Today, the black super new moon is emerging. So we will have empowerment, confidence, releasing old negative things in our lives, increased intuition. This is all good. We want to release today. We want to release all of the bad karma, the things that weren't going right. Make sure that you're forgiving everybody, and anything that's gone wrong in your life, just release it. Release it and allow whatever is meant for your life to come in for your highest good. We are in the end of the eclipse cycle, start of the supermoon cycle, major shifts, endings of things that are no longer serving our highest purpose, new beginnings, new chapters in our lives, and great transformation is now occurring. This is the perfect time to start producing your intentions to receive wealth and better energies to attract better things to your lives, better communications, better relationships, better finances, better love life. Release all the things that are no longer serving you or serving your highest purpose. And welcome. Set your intentions to bring in the wealth, the abundance, the prosperity, the new relationships, the things that are for your highest good. This is a short video, but happy day it is. You will feel a release. You will feel lighter energies, and this is awesome. So I am excited to see what manifests in your life. I'm also excited to see what manifests in my life. God bless you all. I love you all. You are deeply, divinely loved. Bye for now.